declare,
I declare
that I am totally free of all addictions, that I will survive any attempts of others to control my life,
that I am free in my mind, body, and emotions,
that I am free to set goals and reach them, that I am a loving individual with the capacity to give love, that I am a child of God with all rights and privileges thereof,
that I will contribute to the welfare of others, that I will be an ambassador of goodwill to all that I meet on the journey,
that I will be a good example for others to follow, that I will help all that I can to reach their goals,
that I will speak words of encouragement to others,
that I will find the goodness in life and focus on it, that I will not succumb to the negative influences to others,
that I will read information that will
encourage my personal and
spiritual growth, that
I will commit to being the best I can be. I can be.